Good day, everyone. You are welcome to Cloud Mining and Binance platform. Today, we are going to show you a video guide on how you can deposit money into your Cloud Mining account and your Binance account. But before going to that for the business of today, I quickly want to tell you this, that after you have successfully registered through the link sent to you, or the next thing to do is to go to Google Play Store to download the Binance app. And what you have done with that, just log in into your dashboard by putting in your login details, and after that you see your dashboard display in this way. But in case your dashboard is not as wide as this, what you need to do is to click on the profile image at the left corner of your screen. When you click on it, just follow the instruction. You see Binance Lite, then you see off and on. Sign, then in a very orange color, then you click on it. Once you click on it, then you follow the next instruction, and you will see it very wide as this. Then you can click more here. As you see more here now, when you click more, you see other services rendered by Binance. And let's quickly go for the business of today. And to start with, you click on deposit. You know you are buying USDT. Let's click on deposit. Let's quickly click on deposit. Now what you need to do here is to click on fiat at the right corner up. Then the next thing is to scroll down. You know you want to buy with Naira. Just click on Naira here. Let's patiently wait. Don't forget, I quickly want to pass this very important message. On Binance, it has a lot of opportunities. That is business you can do with Binance, like what in cryptocurrency. They are very they are so standard, more than what I can explain here. But the most very profitable things here is their savings something. Once you buy USDT, because USDT is the most stable coin, and you can confirm that from these professionals, cryptocurrency people, to say much on that. And when you buy their savings, it is more guaranteed that on daily basis, every week, and every month you get your bonuses, you get your interest, and it is very well secured. Binance is a secure platform. And apart from what you need to do here, before I explain that further, what you need to do here is to click on P2P bank transfer. P2P bank transfer. And after you have clicked on that, you will now click on the continue. Let's click on continue. And don't forget, as I have told you, on Binance, savings is more fantastic than what I can explain. Savings is more fantastic. But on investment, I may not be able to talk on investment, because that investment, it has a lot of huge amount of profit, and at the same time it has a high risk. And it has high profit, it also has a high risk. So that is why I may not be able to say much on that. It depends on individual choice on that, of which you can easily engage yourself into. But what you need to do here, you know, you are buying USDT. As I have told you, USDT, then you look at you get the you see the first one is 568 naira 24 kobo, and the seller can sell from 68 to 100 naira, 68,100 naira. That is, you might not be able to afford that as a result of your financial status, and you scroll down to see more. The next person can sell from 64,000 naira, 800 naira. So you can scroll down to see the available that you can afford. This one can sell this 568.50, that is 568 naira 50 kobo, can sell from 1,000 naira to 1,100 naira. Should we choose this one? Let's click on buy. Don't forget, as I've told you, Binance has a lot of benefit. It has a lot of gain. Once you can be so very cognizant about all their services, it is very impressive. You will get to know more from the professionals. If you confirm, you go to internet to confirm all that I'm saying. I've clicked on it. It's like network is somehow worried. Let me re-click on it again. Now let's patiently wait. It has been updated. Please refresh. Let's click another one. Let's quickly click on another one, affordable one from 1,000. because we want to use 1,000 as an example. That is why we are searching for 1,000, a seller that sell at the rate of 1,000 naira. So let's click on this, because start 1,000 naira and then to 97,078 kobo. Let's click on buy. Once you click on buy, wait patiently. Let's see how this one will display too. Don't forget, now what you need to do here is that you have to confirm the comment made by those people who have patronized this seller. And how can you get that to know whether this seller is a person who is a reliable seller that you can have business with? And how can you get that is to you under trade info, you see under trade info here, you see the buyer's nickname, then you click on this buyer nickname, you see that arrow, you click on that arrow. When you click on that arrow, it will take you to a page where you see info again, and in the front of that info you will see an arrow like this. Just click on that arrow, you see more an arrow. Just click on that arrow, and once you click on that arrow, just come down here again and you enter the amount you want to buy. Don't forget that when you want to come back, you click at the the left corner of this small arrow, the tiny arrow, if you want to come back from where you have seen to see the comment made by the seller. But make sure that the comment, the positive comment must be higher or greater than the negative comment for you to have the full confidence on that seller. Because a situation whereby you have negative comment against the positive this thing, you don't have to have business with that seller, because it is very risk for you to have business with, because a lot of comments have been made by the previous customer that he had experience with. So for that reason, it is very, very important for you to withdraw yourself from that seller and goes down and move to another person that you can try to verify and see that he has more comment than negative comment. So but a situation whereby you see positive like 100 and you see negative like 5, you can still manage to buy something from that seller. It is still manageable. So what you need to do here is to enter the amount you want to buy. Let's enter 1,000 naira to see. Then you click on buy. What happened? We don't know what happened. Let's quickly click on it again. You click on buy. We don't know. It might be as a result of network. It has been updated. Please refresh the ad. Okay, it has been updated. So let's quickly go back. You click on that arrow to go back. Let's go and check another seller that start with 1,000 naira. Let's click on this 556,850. Start from 1,000 naira to 125,000 top. Let's click on buy. Let's click on buy. We want to be very fast because we don't want to waste too much of our time. Then here you click, as I've told you, you click 1,000 naira because it's the least that the seller is selling. Okay, now thank God for that. Then here you must be very, very, very cognizant about this I'm about to tell you now, because here what you need to do here is to click on to payment page. You have to click on this thing. It's very important. You click to payment page. Let's wait patiently. Network is worrisome somehow. Now this place is very, very important. This place is very, very important. What you need to do here is to copy the number of the person, the account number, the account name, everything. You must write it down immediately. Do not click on this transfer notify seller. If you do, immediately Binance immediately will alert you through your phone number, your email address, that you have done something wrong, of which that can penalize, you can cause a kind of serious penalty on your account, either being deleted or being penalized or being sanctioned. You have to appeal instantly. You have to appeal that you have done something wrong. So that means that you need not to click on this. You leave this page as it is, then you go and transfer that money to that seller. Until you transfer that money and you have received alert that money has been you have received debit alert in your account, before you can come back here to click on transfer notify seller. It is very simple as ABC. That is what I can say for now. For you to get more of our video on the upcoming, because we are going to guide you. We are going to show you a video guide on how you can swap this USDT that you have just bought into a Tron, because you want to send your Tron to cloud mining account and you need to swap it. So in the next video you will see how to swap your USDT to Tron, so that you can withdraw your you can withdraw your Tron to your Tron. You know, the Tron in your Binance account, you can withdraw it to cloud mining account, so that you'll be able to go with your cloud mining. That is how it goes. So for you to get more of a video that will be posted automatically on your YouTube, you click on subscribe. Just try to click on subscribe. That is for that. Please, I will say thank you for listening, or watching this video, and God greatly bless you in Jesus' name. Have a nice day.